if somebody call me and present an opportunity to me that's going to be profitable, I'm gonna take it. So you need snacks on snacks on snacks? Bet. What's up, foodie family? So I wanted to bring you all along with me to work for a couple of days, and today is actually Wednesday, and today we have some corporate catering going on. I have two very important meetings for my personal brand, but yesterday we had a tasting for a holiday party, corporate holiday party that's happening in December. So check out what we did behind the scenes in the kitchen to prepare for our corporate holiday party, and I'll be back. All right, check it out. What's up, foodie family? We're here at Low Country Quisine, and I want to welcome you not only to my channel, but welcome you to the kitchen. And some of y'all been kicking it with me for a while, so that means you're true to this and not new to this, so welcome back. Y'all, today we're having a tasting. I wasn't even planning on bringing y'all here, but we got going, and I said, you know what, foodie family needs to be a part of this. So here you are in the kitchen getting ready for a tasting for a holiday party in December for a corporate client. So if you haven't, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification so you know when I got something to show y'all or a recipe to share. All right, and remember to comment down below and also like the videos too, okay? All right, foodie family, let's get right into it. We started off with our Kobe sliders and truffle fries. Next up were the BLT deviled eggs, which we finish off with a little bit of crispy bacon and parsley for garnish. Now, the third small bite item was our mini chicken and waffles. Now, I had to hit this tray with a little bit of sriracha for some heat because it's going to go real good with the sweetness of our Belgian waffle and the saltiness of our Southern buttermilk fried chicken. And then we finished it with some bourbon maple syrup. And there you have it. Looks amazing. Now, if that don't close the deal, this will. Right here is my grandmother's mac and cheese. Alma's mac and cheese, honey. It gets the job done every time. That's followed up by the jalapeno cornbread. And if you haven't figured out by now, this was a very Southern menu. Here is our red wine braised pot roast. And we plated that up with some Yukon Gold rustic garlic mashed potatoes, grilled veggies, and smoky honey butter. Then we hit it with a little bit of red wine mushroom gravy. This is the buttermilk pecan chicken with a chipotle honey glaze. We booked this one, y'all. Look at it. You know we did. You know we did. Okay, that's it. The tasting is finished and everybody helped. Daniel, Betty, and Danny. Daniel, Danny. All right, y'all. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. This guy helped too. Okay, I'm taking y'all back to Wednesday now. This is our Mediterranean grilled chicken, and y'all, the marinade that we make for this chicken is so flavorful. It's so juicy. Comes with a pan sauce. It includes these seared artichokes, lemons, tomatoes, garlic, capers, white wine, chicken stock. It is light and filling and delicious. Now, of course, there are always going to be a couple of vegans in the group, so we have our vegan stuffed portobellas. The stuffing almost tastes like Thanksgiving dressing, y'all, but it's vegan. It's so good. And now that order is off, back in the kitchen, we got a lot more work to do. And foodie family, I don't know what it is about corporate clients this year, but we are doing sandwiches some weeks by the hundreds. By the hundreds. We love it for us, and we love it for y'all. And of course, with sandwiches, you gotta have a cookie. And our cookies are 10 out of 10. All right, so y'all got to spend a little bit of time in the kitchen with us. And now I have about 6 or 7 minutes before my first conference call for my personal brand, not Low Country Quisine, but me, Chef Jolie. So I'm about to grab some water and do a little quick meditation so that, because this is a first meeting. So first time I'm meeting them, first time they're meeting me. So I need all of me to be present in the meeting. So go get something to drink and get prepared. So I'll be back. Okay, so back in my office, ready for meeting number 2, and it's 3 o'clock. We got our corporate orders out. What is that on my wall? We got our corporate orders out, and we have this huge, humongous snack order for one of our corporate clients. So, you know, yes, we're a caterer. We make food, we make desserts, we make drinks, beverages. But if somebody called me and present an opportunity to me that's going to be profitable, I'm gonna take it. So you need snacks on snacks on snacks? Bet. We got you. What's up, y'all? It is Thursday, and we had several corporate catering orders that went out, and the last one is on the way out. Looks like I just saw Benny Keith pull up to deliver some product because next week is a crazy busy week. So I'm gonna run into the kitchen as we get the last order out, and come with me. Come on, let's go. There is Benny Keith. I think they're here for us. Hopefully it's not for next door. Okay, Foodie Family, y'all have been here at Low Country Quisine with me for 3 days now. Tuesday, Wednesday, and today, Thursday. And no, you ain't getting no paycheck. This was all voluntary, okay? I want to come on and let y'all know a couple of things before I go. In about 2 weeks, we will be filming episodes 5 and 6 of At Home with Chef Jolie. You know, this is season 4, and it's all about me going to your favorite restaurants, trying out their cocktails and dishes, and then coming home and getting in the kitchen with y'all and putting my spin on it. I need one more restaurant to go to, so comment down below if you're in the DFW area and you have a suggestion of a place that I should go to for one of the 2 episodes that I'm about to film. And if you have been following along on the meal prep journey and you've watched those vlogs and you are, you know, with me as I'm unbigging my bag, I need y'all to know I have already lost to date 11 pounds and about 9 inches off my whole body. So when I get to the Dominican next month, prepare to be sick of me, because your girl gonna be all over Instagram. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok and all of that stuff. I'm gonna be outside. But anyway, I'm gonna let y'all go, and I'm gonna see y'all the next time I'll see y'all. I don't know when it'll be the next time I'll see y'all, but it'll be on a Monday, because you know we upload on Mondays and Thursdays. All right, gotta go. Remember to comment, like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. All right, Foodie Family, see you next time. Bye.